Construct line at an active angle. You can get that tool in your main toolbar at the bottom here. Construct line at active angle. Or you can go to your construction tools and it's number 3 right here. Construct line at an active angle. There's a couple different methods using this tool. You got 2-point or from point. From point will go from the point that you select along that line. 2-point allows you to select the line that you want to go off of, depending on what angle that you want, but go to the point where you want to go to. We'll do the 2-point. Active angle. What angle do you want to go off of that particular element? We're going to use this line as an example. So we'll put in our active angle, whatever degree that you want to go off of it. Let's say 30 degrees for this example. Hit the tab key to lock it in. And now if we select the line that we want to go off of, it says select line segment. Left click on it. And now you'll notice that it's going to go 30 degrees off of that line. And since this is a line, you'll notice that's going to go off of that line depending on where you want to drop this line off at. Just like what I'm doing here. Also depends on what side of the line that you have it on also. So let's say we want to go to the center of this line right here. Since our snap mode is set to key point, I can actually snap to it, left click to drop it off, and I'm finished. Or if I just want to arbitrarily place it out there, I can left click to place it, left click another one. It's going to keep going until you right click to reset the tool. Also, you have a length here. So if you had a certain length that you want to go off of a certain line, we can do that. We put our length of, say, 15 foot. We'll go select the line that we want to go off of. And you'll notice that now, draw that line 15 foot, depending on what side that you place the line at. Left click to drop it off, and you're finished. Now if we did the other method, I'm going to do a few undos. And we do from point, wherever we select this line at, that's where it's going to go from. It's not going to freely float along that particular line segment that you select. So if I left click on that line, you'll notice now it kind of pins it to that point from the point that you selected, and now it's going to go 30 degrees to the left or to the right, depending on where you want to place that line at. So we'll left click to drop it off, and we're finished. Probably the most common situation that you use this tool, if you use it, is the 2-point, which allows you to go to a certain point that's out there. And then of course whatever angle that you want it, and then if you want to put a length in there to tie it down even more.